माझं नाव प्रवीण कुमार बोराटे, वाईफ प्रियंका बोराटे आणि माझं बाळ राघव बोराटे, जे 2.7 इयर ओल्ड आहे. ओके, त्याला इनिशियली ताप होता, जो इव्हेंच्युअली कमी झाला, पण त्यानंतर त्याला सर्दी खोकला व्हायला लागला. सर्दी खोकल्यासाठी आम्ही कन्सल्ट केलं होतं आमच्या फिजिशियनसोबत, पण तो काही कवर नाही झाला. अँड नंतर त्याला ॲट द एंड थोडे ब्रिदिंग इश्यूज यायला लागले. सो आमच्या फिजिशियनने सांगितलं की तुम्ही ज्युपिटरला ॲडमिट व्हा, लेट्स कन्सल्ट ओव्हर देअर. आम्ही फर्स्ट डे तिथे कन्सल्ट केलं. त्याचे रिपोर्ट्स बऱ्यापैकी थोडे इनिशियली चांगले होते, बट लेटर ऑन त्याची स्थिती ICU इटसेल्फ गेटिंग डिटोरेट. आणि त्यानंतर मग त्यांनी सांगितलं की हे एक्सपेक्टेड नाही आहे, दिस इज समथिंग डिफरंट. त्यांनी मल्टिपल पॅरलली ऑपरेशन चालू ठेवले होते. दे आर लुकिंग फॉर व्हायरल, दे आर लुकिंग फॉर फंगल, दे आर ऑल्सो लुकिंग फॉर bacterial infections and all. Because of immediate effect, we got to know that it is a bacterial and it is viral as well. So because of the Hambir sir's guidance and its team guidance, right, we are able to identify or diagnose the issue as earliest. Meantime, its health get like critical state. It's of a medium, that state of its health is from medium to critical to very critical. But what I feel is what Hambir sir and its team has, right, they have always multiple options and path in order to target this. Based on that, they are very transparent. They are very, what you can say, like transparent in terms of their treatments, how they are going to treat and all. And yeah, so based on that, they told us what is the criticality, what is the, what do you say, how the treatment is going and how Raghav is behaving to that. And fortunately, that when the day come, that even surgeons, right, they were pretty confident about how much is risk and how much he is willing to take the risk, right. And fortunately, we had a surgery on Friday. Post that, we have a recovery phase is happening right now, and today itself, fortunately, we are discharging from this hospital. We are really thankful with their entire team. We are really thankful with the PICU. Not only they are treating our child as a patient, but they are also treating their, like, it is their own child. Okay, we are got emotionally connected with them. It is so we also got a feedback, right, like when the, like, patients relatives are more like enthusiastic, they wanted to know how the treatment is going, and they are helping each other, then they also giving their extra efforts. Okay, so that is a good thing that I feel the Jupiter has provided us, and because of that, my kid is now out of danger and good. And I'm really thankful for the Jupiter.
Yes, just one point that I would like to, there are many, but the major one that I would like to highlight about Dr. Hambir sir is basically he include all the parent in every treatment at every stage. He never felt us like left out. He explained everything, all the possibilities, of course the negatives as well. So mentally we were prepared for all the scenarios, very honestly, but at the end he gave us a lot of confidence. There were a lot of weird scenarios that had happened in this 30 days journey. Very honestly, this was tomorrow is the 30th day. Before that, we are getting discharged. So that was one of the commendable thing that Dr. Hambir sir involved parent in every stage. Another is he takes a lot of calculative risk. He never, like, a very randomly, he's never taking the risk. So that is what very, like, encouraging thing for us, because randomly taking the risks are not good for, at least for this kind of child who was having a lot of different kinds of infection, lung infection, and a lot of criticalities were there. The third part that I would like to highlight about Hambir sir majorly is everybody think about the plan A, but he is the greatest person, I would say, because he always made plan B in every action very foolproof. So even if plan A will get failed, we know what plan B will be, what all things that we need to undergo through. So we were, most of the time, we were mentally prepared for each of this. And apart from, even along with Hambir sir, I would like to take name of few of the doctors who have really helped us a lot during this journey. The first is our Raghav surgeon, basically. Abhijit Benare sir. Another is Sonavne sir, who encouraged us a lot. He gave us a lot of emotional support, and of course Nikit Chaha sir, because he was very what we can say optimistic about Raghav's mental health as well, because he was admitted and almost ventilated for 20 days. So so these three guys along with Hambir sir helped us a lot. And last but never the least, NICU and PICU team. They are very, very, very great team, like very encouraging. It's not like they're just medically helping us, but very honestly, all the doctors, all the sisters and brothers of NICU and PICU helped us emotionally as well. They supported us at every moment, because inside NICU, PICU, apart from mother and father, nobody was allowed. But very honestly, Raghav is so fortunate that he has created his own family there. All the doctors and brothers, sisters were very awesome. And a few of the names I would like to take very honestly, because feedback should be always there. If it is good, then I should take their name. Specifically Shilpa ma'am, Dr. Shilpa, then Dr. Aniket, then Dr. Shivam, Dr. Shubham, then Dr. Sangmesh, along with the entire doctor team, helped us a lot emotionally as well as medically. And a few of the sisters and brothers name that I would like to take is Nagendra brother, then Baswanna brother, Vivek brother, Aniket brother, then sisters also, Prajakta sister helped us a lot, Swapnali sister, then Sonali sister. I think almost everybody, because Raghav was there almost about 30 days, so everybody at least touch base once to Raghav. But yeah, these are the kind of people I would be very happy. And very honestly, after coming to the normal room, we were missing ICU. It should not happen, but very, very honestly, that kind of support these guys gave, and they helped me a lot to bring my Raghav's contagious smile. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Hambir sir, and the entire team.